So, this is the cellular jail. Cellular jail. This is that jail where Britishers had to become fighters in this jail so that they don't escape. This is that. This is that. Jailer. Jailer is here.
This is the Kaidi.
This is the Qaidi.
And that is the Kaidi lion.
That is the major Qaidi. Look. This is the cellular jail.
मेरा नाम तिरुपति है। आप लोगों ने जिस ब्लॉक से पिंटर किए हैं ये ब्रिटिश टाइम की समय एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ब्लॉक हुआ करते थे। जेलर असिस्टेंट जेलर की ऑफिस उनकी रेसिडेंस के तौर पर इस्तेमाल करते थे। फर्स्ट फ्लोर डेविड बैरी जो जेलर हुआ करते थे उनकी रेसिडेंस, नीचे में स्टोर रूम और सोल्जर्स की ऑफिस हुआ करते थे। जहाँ पे आज एक एग्जीबिशन गैलरी और फ्रीडम फाइटर्स की फ़ोटो गैलरी है। एग्जीबिशन गैलरी में इंफॉर्मेशन दिए हुए हैं काला पानी का मीनिंग क्या है, यहाँ पे सेटलमेंट्स में अंग्रेज कब आए, जेल के निर्माण कैसे हुई और कैसे इन स्वतंत्र सेनानियों को याद दिला दिया गया। रीडिंग सेक्शन है। उसकी बाजू वाले गैलरी में फ्रीडम फाइटर्स की तस्वीरें रखे हुए हैं। फ्रीडम फाइटर्स भारत के सारे प्रांतों से फ्रीडम फाइटर्स को लाया गया, सबकी योगदान हमारी आज़ादी में थी। बट यहाँ पे अब सबसे ज़्यादा बंगाल एंड पंजाब के स्वतंत्र सेनानियों के तस्वीरें वहाँ पे देख पाएंगे। एंड अदर पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया की भी हैं, यूनाइटेड प्रोविंस, सेंट्रल प्रोविंस, मद्रास प्रेसिडेंसी, बॉम्बे, बिहार, आसाम, सारे प्रोविंस की फ्रीडम फाइटर्स की तस्वीर देख पाएंगे।
So finally we are in the room after so much of roaming, grooming, going to the cellular jail and so much shit. Yeah, we are finally in the room. We'll freshen up a bit, try to sleep a bit. Actually, there's not much time. We have to go by 8 o'clock again to the light and sound show, but I'm super duper extra tired. You know what? Our hotel is literally like 5 minutes away from the airport. So, whichever flight, airplane goes by, we are able to see it from very near, and it's like first time watching an airplane fly from this near. It's actually nice and all. So we'll freshen up and then bro, shut up. Talk with you later. Sorry. And then sleep. I don't think so I'll sleep, but just lie down a bit and all, and then go to the cellular jail. And now talk to you later. Bye. Cellular jail only. In cellular jail only there is light show. We just finished our what was it? Light and sound show thing that was happening in the cellular jail. It was amazing, you know, like awesome, amazing. But unfortunately, they didn't allow us to shoot over there, so I couldn't record anything. But pretty, the sky looks amazing. Everything looks great. We've been walking since like half an hour, and we don't have anything to do for New Year. That's the problem. Like, see, we are basically at Port Blair, okay? But all the events and nightlife is in Havelock. We are going to Havelock on 2nd of Jan. So there's no specific parties or something special going on for New Year here. We're not even finding good food to eat. Since half an hour, we've been walking like this on roads, just like that. I don't know what we'll do. Look at this. Oh my freaking goodness. How full, how rushed this place is. It looks like everyone in Andaman is here itself. Oh my god. Finally found a spot. When it's 5 minutes to New Year, I'm basically walking on the roads. So I just had good food. The place was nice, the food was nice. Hey people, day 2. So we came to another island called the Ross Island, and yeah, we had 1 hour of time. So cute. So pretty. We have 1 hour of time here. Ma, nannu kuda. నేను ఇది పట్టు, ఇది పట్టు, ఇట్లా పట్టు,
తీసుకో వెళ్ళు మంచి ఇట్లా పట్టుకో హాస్ని, ఏం కాదు. హాస్ని వీడియో నడుస్తుందా? ఓకే మంచిగా హనీ, ఏం కాదు మమ్మీ, మంచి ఎంజాయ్ చేయి. వావ్ నైస్ హాస్ని, సిట్ ఆన్ దట్. దాని పైన కాదు, దగ్గరకుండు, ఇంకా దగ్గరకుండు. సీ హియర్ హనీ, ఇంకొకటి. ఏ బాగుంది బా. You just take this chair.
అలా వాటికి ఆకలిస్తుంది.
ఫేస్ దగ్గర ఉందమ్మా, ఇక హాస్పిటల్. నీ దగ్గరకు వస్తుందిరా.
So pretty. Very nice. Nice, Ra. Yeah, this is also called the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Dweep. Never mind.
వీడియో తీరా. ओके
और इसका बैक साइड एक स्विमिंग पूल और दूसरा वाला बिल्डिंग पावर हाउस। और वो जो ब्लैक कलर का टैंक दिख रहा है ना, वो स्टीम बॉयलर था, सी वाटर फॉर ड्रिंकिंग वाटर में प्रोजेक्ट किया था। और लेफ्ट साइड ये वाइट बिल्डिंग या ब्रिटिश टाइम का बेकरी था ये वाला, इसमें भी लाइट एंड साउंड शो होता है। इवनिंग 5:30 से लेकर 6:30 तक ब्रिटिश टाइम के टेनिस कोर्ट का पूरा एरिया।
ओके
और लेफ्ट साइड इसके ऊपर रेसिडेंस का टर्मिनल एडिशन सबका
This is
గవి కంటి సీరియల్ గ్రీన్ అనిపిస్తుంది.
This is the highest peak of this island. Hello. came to this beach and we are in Havelock. This is my third day. I could not shoot much in the second day. There were some things happening, so I couldn't shoot much. We are eating here right now and then we'll go to the beachy. The outfits are very nice over here. I like it. I guess I'll take a few while going back. Look! This guy is sad. I got this phone waterproof wala pouch because I have to take the video, of course. But this guy didn't get it, so he's mad about it. BT. Oh my goodness. This is so fucking good, bro. What the hell? The sunset.
అదేంటి అప్పుడే నాన్న ఈ 3-4 డేస్ ఇక్కడనే నాన్న ఎంజాయ్ చేద్దాము అని ఇక్కడ చూడు నాన్న
సో బ్యూటిఫుల్
అందుకే 3 o'clock కల్లా వచ్చేసేయాలి ఇక్కడికి
క్రేజీ I wish I could capture what my eyes are seeing actually. Whoa! Damn. They're asking us to leave.
బాగుంది చూస్తున్నా కొద్ది కళ్ళకి ఇట్లా
ముందర చూడు, ముందర కూడా
ఇంట్లో కూర్చొని టీవీ చూడటంతోనే
నువ్వు ఒక కారు కూడా ఒక బైక్ టీ పూల్
గ్రీన్ బ్లూ
వైట్
లైట్ గ్రీన్ లైట్ డార్క్ గ్రీన్ లైట్ బ్లూ డార్క్ బ్లూ.
అసలు ఆమ్రే ఇక్కడే ఉంది షేడ్స్ అన్ని కదమ్మా, మస్తు ఉందో. This is snake. It looks like straight from Google. Oh my goodness, it's like awesome. It's like this painting of ocean we do. White, green, blue and all. It's like that. Oh my goodness. Even the sound is so pleasant, you know. Except for all this dirt and all. Except for that, everything else is lovely. I can literally see the salt. Oh my god. Going out of Havelock, setting out of the huddle. Now we are going to Neil. Neil is an island. We are going to Neil today, right now, in another ferry. And then we'll be back by evening. Then we'll go to Port Blair again. And then from there to Hyderabad. Yeah! Oh, bro, what the fuck? Yeah! So lovely. Like seriously, here it's like greenish and then between steel and then it's completely. The change in the color of the water is visible, very clear. ఏంటి ఏంటి ఎక్కడ అచ్చా
కానీ గట్టి పట్టుకుంటాను అది అక్కడ వెళ్తుంది
It's not even visible. Is the camera also showed it?
ఏమన్నా సీనే బాబు ఇది.
Did some photo session here. Oh my goodness, bro. I can't even believe my eyes. It's so lovely. So pretty. Like, so pretty. Not me. Yeah, it's this. That's pretty. So cute. I mean, so lovely. So beautiful. I can't stop blabbering about it. I can't stop bragging about it. It's so good. We just put our luggage there. Basically, we're not staying a night here in this island. We're just like going back at 4:30 or something. So we needed a place to put our luggage. So we put the luggage there. And we're heading out to some beach again. Of course. This is an island. The beaches are expected. This is some sort of a mini trek only, I guess, I don't know. And then we'll go to a beachy beach. It's not even like a beach though, it's like a seashore. I don't know what is there, let's see. Greenery, so much of greenery. Green, green, green. అమ్మా ఇది కావాలా so nice there. Start it. Start it. Oh my god. It's beach kaadu. This is not a beach. It's a seashore. I guess. Oh my god. So much of friend here. Left element ఇక్కడ నుంచి. This is a seashore, not a beach. So much enemy things. What the hell? What the hell is that? Pineapple. So much enemy. फिर से फोटो सेशन शुरू हो गया. Oh, I'm so sleepy, bro. So, in 5 minutes दूरी, there's a semicircle type का bridge. In 5 minutes distance from here, there's a semicircle kind of a bridge. Yep. Beauty. This is the natural bridge. It's called the natural bridge because it's formed by natural coral stones. No human intervention. It formed came back after watching the natural bridge thing. So much of pain, but the pain was worth it. It was worth it. It was amazing. Beautiful nature is. How beautiful nature is. I love this. I love this trip. Love it. It was a wonderful freaking experience. Lovely.